Ay, guess who decided to vlog again? I decided to vlog kasi nung nag-aaral ako, sabi ko, hala, nag-vlog ako nung prelims. Why not mag-vlog ngayong finals? So, it's my last week as a freshie. Ay, ang OA. Yeah, I'm gonna be documenting my last week as a freshie. Feeling ko mas una pang maglalabas tong video na to kaysa sa isa kong video. Kasi nag-vlog ako before, pero hindi pa siya edited. So, ito na nga, mag-vlog na po tayo. Opo, yes po. Gagalit si Martina.
Kasi pinag-overthink ako ni Alice. Ako na naman.
They are struggling.
Hi po. Naman ako mag-ayos. Anong siya lang naman? Ay, sa bagay, nagpa-cram. Wala, ako nga cramming on-site.
Cramming on-site.
Parang ngayon ako nag-cram on-site.
Hey guys, this is us before the Wosoku exam. Can you talk?
No, I'm so depressed.
Why are you depressed?
Hindi mo pala makikita yung baby namin, pero
Ang uuwi mo.
that's our child.
Patingin. Yung baby nilang dambuhala.
Ito yung, kapag andito lang siya sa A4 o A4 site, tapos sobrang lakas dambuhala ang baby to.
Baby damulag.
Yeah! At
Big
cute
baby.
siya.
Kit.
Ay!
BJ and sis.
Ay! Anong pangalan ni nung nagsabi na community daw ay geographical location?
Si TP, Talcott Corson. Wow, si Double Denim. Ay, nakakatakot.
Chat, what are people kapag wala?
Chat, can you...
Hi guys. Hi, it's Angelo and this is the first day of exams and it's sociology class. Say hi.
Hi!
What flip? How? Oh, give me one margarita. Okay, this is the before.
No, not the joystick!
I don't know what's a joystick.
Ito na siya. Hi na, the OG character sa college life ko. Ay, wow! Uy, ang ganda. Kawawa si Ali!
Don't talk to me. And dahil hindi ako lang nag-grab, I'm gonna do it later.
Hey Giroud, do you wanna be?
I pissed my pants when I was 12.
I short myself. Let's buy the 1/4 now.
Tinalo yung pagkakram ko. Naipamana ko na.
Pero next year, baka kami rin mag-group.
Oo! We just finished our Wosoku. We are done.
Hey guys, ang puti ko dito.
Napagalitan na. Tabi lang natin. Hindi sa likod.
Oh, nasa dito.
Uy, alala na neto. Alala na neto. Pili ko kailangan natin umalis. That was a crazy... Bye! That was a crazy act.
Natin mapapatunayan na ang Pilipino ang mananay.
Ayo.
West Philippine.
Wait, ang ganda ng hair ko today. Wala si Mark, matutuwa yun sa mga jokes mo. What? Ano? Oh my God, say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Isa lang exam ko today.
Guess how many exams I have today?
Ilan? 4? That's so sad.
Pink na pink, di mo sinabi sa akin, pink na pink bibig ko. I got 20, hindi ako nag-aral. I love this subject. Goodbye.
Class picture later at 3:30 p.m. Kasi pag natulog ako, dire-diretso na yun. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, magiging alas 7 na ang gising ko pag nagtulog pa ako ngayon.
Sabihin mo power nap, tapos power nap na tulog.
Ang power nap ko ay 7 hours. Pa tayo sa exam.
Wait lang. O sige, diretso na.
Ano, gusto mo nagpasaga?
Hindi, tagal pa eh. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ang ang layo lang yun.
Kasi si Kate eh.
Change costume kasi meron kaming class picture later and naka-type A uniform ako.
Hi guys!
That was good. Holla at me at
Nakakatakot na kayo.
416 on IG.
Ikaw na naman. Hey guys.
Oh my god. Hey guys. Chiro ba to?
Hi.
Hi, Bella Babe.
Can I borrow?
Sure.
This is a parody of Beauty and the Beat by Justin Bieber.
Talon, dali.
Tara, jump shot. 1, 2.
Shit, pogi naman nito. Sino kaya
That
to?
was good. I'm really, by the way, you can hit me up on IG. Uli.416.
Mainit. Si sana may aircon na. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Ay, si Kip! Ay! Oh my God, I'm so tired.
Yung birthday wish ko kay na rin sana, ano, hindi siya mamatay ng maaga.
Dito ka, gumit na ka, te. Te, ako daw hindi. May tissue pa talaga.
Wait lang! Magkano to na rin? Parang gusto ko na bumili.
Paano to? Ba't ganon? Uy, naggano na! Ba't nakaganito na siya, sis? Iharap mo nga.
Inutusan. Ganun pala yung te.
Hoy, go, ipasa mo na isa. Eyad mo, te.
Yes, later.
Wait lang, nakakaliw.
Say hi.
Yung makalo taga 7.
Ay. Di na natuloy yung kwento.
Nakikita ko lang siya pag-test.
Ganda ni Queen. Ganda ni Box. Martina. Ravi, say hi to the video. Ay! Hello everybody. Next exam today, Spanish. This is us after Spanish.
Yo, soy all cooked.
Cool.
Make cook as It's okay, it's okay. This is healthy anger. This is a chance for you to learn a lesson and to improve. No motivational shit, bro. We're screwed. It's over. Develop that growth mindset and work on your self-efficacy because you mean growth when it's the last time you're ever gonna take this?
Ikaw yung parang yung left shoulder ko, ikaw yung right shoulder ko.
Whoever's watching this, failure is okay. Failure is a part of the process. Failure is not the end of your journey. It's only there to serve you a lesson.
Unless you're playing sports and it's the last time you're gonna play and you know the time goes zero, you lost.
No shit. Michael Jordan.
Hi Bella. Hi. What are your thoughts about Spanish exam?
myself.
Ha? May assignment? Hey guys. Ano yun yung sa umaga at sa...
gabi sa bawang menudo, longganisa. Sarap.
Tarlac State University.
Bilis naman nila maglakad.
Bakit tayo mabagal maglakad?
Kaya nga eh.
If you're like here.
Ay, period. Pa, isa pa. Gyat!
Konnichiwa.
I used to watch that.
Watashi wa Marcus da.
Bro is so chalant. You're doing chicks on it.
So, we are going to... A day in the life of
Ayun na naman, puro ka-day.
Hi guys, it's the last day of our finals exam and today is May 24 and it's like 10 minutes until our exam starts and we will never be freshmen again except dun sa mga magre-repeat. I was just kidding, of course.
Sa isang buong taon na nag-aral ako ng first year, wala akong natandaan.
Long live and world crash. Sorry. She is playing games, I think. Ano yan? Ay. Puki. Jerry Brevet! Jerry Brevet! Martina, do you have anything to say for the video? What? That's all the journalism students. This is us after the journal finals. And finals in general. Just finish this. As you can see. Show you off. Tonight I'm gonna show you off.
Sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Dahil sumakit yung ulo ko after our major exam. Sally, oh, iniwan na ako dito. Ay, naku. Show you off. No! Ano? Nag-reserve? Oh, nag-reserve sila ng room sa Biji Papana. Where? Robbie, what happened?
Summary ng finals.
Grabe ba naman? Kayo na naman, ba't kayo andito? May cover kami.
Kiss me.
Tuloy nyo!
Out of the beat body. Kiss me. Out of the bearded barley. Mahiwagang salamin. Kaya aaminin ang kanyang tunay na pagtingin.
Hello guys.
Hi guys, I'm playing Ay, wala pa pala. I'm gonna play Left 4 Dead.
Dahil gamer siya at ako ay magmumukbang. What are you cooking? Ay, Mick Veggies. Oh my God!
Ano na gusto mo?
Ha? This is my meal. My brunch? Brunch ba? Hindi. Alam mo yung brunch? Brunch ay yun yung sa science, di ba? The branches of... Sige eh. So, nag-chingo daichi kami.
Hindi na, pag in-story mo na siya, hindi na siya nag-move.
Kasi sana. We go with our outro. This has been Main Pop Girls signing off.
Freshie. Signing off as Freshies. Ang OA, ang pangit.
Ang corny, ang jeje. Mag-hiatus muna ang Main Pop Girls.
Adios.
Magka-comeback.
Tingnan mo, hindi kami mag-uusap too much.
Oo, totoo. Magka-comeback kami sa August. Stay tuned.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
This has been a day in the life.